Kia ora, I'm Kyle, or BareKiwi, and in this video I want to show you my favorite GoPro accessories while on an official GoPro shoot here on Lord Howe Island. Oh my god!
To the day I die.
Kia ora, welcome back to the channel, and for those who just joined, my name's Kyle, or BareKiwi. I'm an official content creator for GoPro, plus part of the product testing and training teams. And these are all the accessories I've been using for a shoot here on Lord Howe Island. In this video, guys, I'm going to be hanging out with an official GoPro athlete and ambassador, Danielle Scott. So let's start with my favorite accessory, and it is this, the Day Tripper backpack. It is weather resistant. It can take an absolute beating. In the top here, I can put all the cameras that I need, little bits of accessories, and then everything else fits inside. As well, I can fit my laptop and a water bladder in the back here. Inside, I have one of these hard cases. The casey fits everything that I need inside, all the little pieces to keep them tidy, clean, and stop them rolling all around inside the backpack. One of my favorite accessories has been this, the Grande. But now, GoPro have just launched the new extension pole, which on this trip has become my new favorite weapon, and I would say possibly my most used on this trip. It is made from aluminium, or as the Americans say, aluminum. Great thing about this is it comes with a one-touch remote. It has two different heads here. The one that is used for the GoPro Hero 12, and then it also comes with another one that is perfect for mounting the Max. This one's pretty cool. It's light, it's small, and very simple. Another one that I would say I used a lot on this one here is the Volta. Now, the Volta in here is in what's called the Creator Kit. I made a video to the Volta, and I'll throw a link in the description so you can see that, but check that video out there on the Volta, because this thing is powerful. Every GoPro user has gone down this drama of battery life, and so with the new Enduro battery and with the power of the new Hero 12, I'm finding I'm getting a good full day out of one shoot. But I do highly recommend picking up a couple of extra batteries and one of these. I call this the toaster, or the GoPro dual battery charger. It means that I can charge my batteries while on the go, wow, or anything. So this little accessory here, guys, is the bike mount. It's an incredible mount to make you not only look cool, but to get those great point of view shots. Just like that, I can be hands-free and get all the shots that I want. I think I've gone the wrong way. I have gone off the wrong trail. Over here we have the suction cup, mounting it onto windows, cars, or in this case, flying in and out of Lord Howe Island. I was able to put this into the window. And this is a little extra piece of equipment that I think a lot of people don't really know or use, and that is the swivel ball joint mount. It means I can move the GoPro into any position, put it on here, and it means I can move and lock. This thing is crazy strong. It blows my mind. Talking about quick releases, tall and short must-haves. And then one of these, the handheld Floaty. Now, GoPros sync very fast. This could possibly be your one go-to mount. It's perfect for just a standard grip, but then also means your GoPro's not gonna sink and disappear on you. Hey, Sean, catch! A couple of other devices that we used on this campaign and that I like to keep inside the KC here is these bike mounts. We actually went cycling out here and I found this was great on the handlebar. Combined with this, released this year, is the boom. This thing has, I don't know, more positions than a Kama Sutra combined. We were able to mount this onto the bike for Sean, one of the guys here, and it just gets that little extension pole, different, unique, fun angles, which is perfect for everything that you need. I love using these on cars and different shots like that. And then let's talk about a couple of extra accessories here that are non-GoPro. One is the 270 pole. This thing is a beast. Carbon fiber, perfect for those fake drone shots. Another non-GoPro accessory that I'll use quite often are these PolarPro ND filters. They actually come in a pack of 3. We have 32, 16, and 8 stop. So what these will do is just lower that frame rate. They're basically putting sunglasses over top of the camera on bright sunny days. Another accessory that we used a lot on this campaign is the Max Lens Mod 2.0. It just gives this incredible wide angle and super fun to play around with. For a bit of extra fun, team, I have the one, the only, Danielle Scott, official GoPro athlete here, with for the week.
It's been awesome, must I say.
And so, Danielle, these are your top accessories?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why and what do you love about them?
Well, I'll start with the El Grande. Basically, I just find this captures so much more. I know there's the 8x7 and I know there's the lens mod, which gets more field of view. But when I'm diving, when I'm up on a mountain, wherever it might be, I just feel like I can extend it out, send the GoPro into the abyss and get the entire picture in the shot. So that's a must travel with.
Yeah.
Then the next is the bike mount. Pretty much it just leaves your hands free. You can do so much. In the water, I actually add it to the floaty handle. So then you can paddle around, have it in your mouth, do whatever you need to, and then you can actually grab the handle and not have to worry about it in your mouth anymore. So, and you know, when we were climbing up Mount Gower, climbing up those ropes and things, you needed your hands.
I actually got a pretty good shot of Danielle coming out a shot. Boom, just GoPro in the mouth. It does make you look cool.
It does, so that's as well. Whether you're getting good content, at least you look cool.
Yeah.
And this one, wow, this is similar to the El Grande, but the extension pole makes it so much easier having this little button. So you can extend it out a little bit longer than the El Grande too, so even more of a shot. And then you've got the button just for ease of use. Super light, super durable, and yeah, love it.
Cool. Random question, has there been any accessory, you know, like is there one or two that you have and that you use every now and then? I know for me it'd be like the Jaws and gooseneck. I keep it around and I use it every now and then. Like right now,
yep, there's a
there's it. It's there being used, but I don't use it all the time. You know, like, you know what I mean? Like those ones that are just in the back pocket.
Yep, that would be the suction mount.
Yeah.
So I do love full driving, sort of getting into motorsports too, and to just whack that on the side, get some really cool angles. You don't have to worry about it. You can leave it up there and tether it to your phone or the app or whatever, and yeah, that works pretty well.
Well, I hope that really helped you out understanding a few of the accessories that we actually use here at GoPro. There are a tower of different accessories, and this is what's perfect for a travel video. And I think if I was to pick my top 5 for this, I would definitely go with the Day Tripper, the extension pole with remote, spare batteries with dual battery chargers, a Floaty, and one last one I would pick, I would go with the bike mount. So those would be my top 5 if I was to do it. I would love to throw the Volta in there or the Creator Edition because it is honestly the best thing ever for travel. I hope that helped you all out. Throw some comments down below. Let me know what your favorite accessory is or what sport you would like to know, and I'll go out and we'll make a video about that. And thanks for watching. Can't get that. Tag me in all your shots, guys. I want to see what adventures you're getting up to, and we'll see you out there. Thanks, guys. Bye. Woo! That's how we get the shot. Oh, I just got shadow. I just got shadow. Oh.
What you want in the morning?
Right on the head. How's that? Is there a good dollop on there?
Yeah, it's a good dollop. That's like,
oh. That's good luck, everyone.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, where is it? Is it right there?
It's like right on the front.
Oh, right there. How's that?